What's going on, YouTube? This is King Larry the Third here. It's been a while since I last seen y'all, but today I'm here to show off every single car in my car collection, or pretty much every car that I have in this room. Okay, so I don't want to make this video too long for any of those that are like, how long is this video? Blah 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 blah. But anyway, let's just take a look at this case right here. There's several more where this came from, but okay, so over here we have a few Porsches like this one, red 911, cool. GT2. There's one in here that's red. One in here that is red. There it is. The day before this filming, I got the famous Formula One 5-pack that's been going crazy all over the place, all over the internet. But and the funny thing is, I already had a Mercedes Formula One car. So apparently I got 6 of those. There's a Honda Civic something another right here. Check out this Toyota Tacoma that I have right here. Got a few Plymouths in there like this so-and-so Barracuda. Got this nice red BMW. Funny story about this one. I was like, what's this car doing with no wheels? And then I realized it turns out to be a keychain. Well, so now, like, if anybody ever has this could go perfect with your personal real life Porsche. Or if you actually have a Porsche. 2 of them Mercedes 6x6s right here, both the same color. Got a nice green Lotus Evija over here. A few Dodge Daytonas down here. Well, this was my first. Then that's my second. The third one came after that. Y'all probably saw this like a year prior on this channel if you've been subscribed to me for that long. And now I got this 4th one. This one's my personal favorite Daytona out of the 4. Well, do have a few other stuff like just another Toyota Supra over here. A few Porsches. Got a Jeep, what is this? It's either a Gladiator. Yeah, it's Gladiator. Yeah. Gladiator, and it's set with 2 dirt bikes on the back of there. And I thought that was pretty neat. That's why I have it. So, there goes that particular case. I do have a bunch of Chevrolets over here. Like, I have them all mixed up. Like, you see these Bel Airs right here. This one is what I use as Golden Bear 65 in the Little NASCAR Squad as this character. And here's a few more of them over here. This is my Uncle 61 Chevy Impala right here. My uncle is the one who was the blue Torino. I might show you him in a little bit. There's Dirty Bottoms disguised there, the green Corvette convertible. And how about this Mr. Motion Chevelle? The hood and the trunk open so you can see the engine on the inside there. It's a little dark in there, but... And my uncle also gave me that 64 Impala wait, no, 65 Impala, years and years prior. A few of those back there. My aunt actually had this Avalanche as a real life car. Well, she used to, like, back in 2012, something like that. And surrounding this Chevrolet pile, this is the Toretto Cafe. The nano scenes. I have these handful of these minis. Got the train jump over here, and Toretto's house. A few of those. Obviously, my favorite car in the franchise is the Charger. Of course, I have two of those and two of that orange Supra. And excuse the TV, I'm playing Hero of the Rails here. I got two of them F1 cars over here. That's Max Verstappen up there, Sergio Perez down here. And like, I'll be all over the place, so excuse me for that. I got these NASCAR diecasts down here, such as Jeff Burton, 1999 Exide Batteries car. That's Ward Burton's 2000 machine. Yeah, 2000. That's Mark Martin's 99 Pfizer car. This is an off-brand stock car, number 27. Obviously, it come from the Dollar General years ago. Like, I was probably like 8 years old when I had this. There's Jeff Bodine in 1985? No, wait. What is this? Oh, 92. I was way off. Bill Elliott's number 94 McDonald's car. If you're a Bill Elliott fan, you already recognize that right away. Bill Elliott's the fastest speed record in the sport at like 212 miles an hour. And I also have this here, who is this? Bobby or Terry? Terry Labonte. Bobby Labonte from 1995 in his Interstate Batteries Monte Carlo. And those iconic pop big hits that whichever nerds collect these. My real life science teacher back in when I was in 10th grade had several of these on top of her computer. But this one specifically is Dale Earnhardt in the Wrangler colors. But it says the Intimidator on there. And I have a few something that over here. Got those two Bentleys. Yes, I have SpongeBob and Patrick. But funny thing is, I was with both my parents, one by one, when I bought these. Like 2 years ago, I bought this Patrick Star car when I was with my mom on my birthday. We was going to see Despicable Me 4 back when it was coming out. And several years prior, I was with my dad when I got SpongeBob here. He's the most legendary cartoon of all time there. That there is a Koenigsegg Jesko, the yellow, in front of him. And these 5, that's my Tesla pile. I got 3 Model S's, 2 white Model S's, and that Model S Plaid. A Model Y there, and a Tesla Roadster. And all across this windowsill is everything Mario. Funny how I have 2 Marios, 2 Luigis, 2 Yoshis, and 2 light blue Yoshis. There's Princess Peach right there. Donkey Kong and Bowser are over here. Speaking of Donkey Kong, I have this Donkey Kong monster truck right here. That looks pretty cool. My favorite monster truck I ever collected is this one right here. Mario. That looks real nice. And this scorpion looking whatever that creature is. I have Sonic, Shadow, and Silver. These three right here. On the Sonic racing game. Whatever they call that. These two are the Charger from the Fast and Furious. This is the way it looked in the 9th movie, but this was back in the first one. That is my dad's Chevy Bel Air right here. Coca-Cola, that's one of the very few cars I've never opened for racing's sake. I have Luigi and Yoshi right there from Mario Kart. That's a flatbed truck with a Lamborghini Centenario on the flatbed. And I got this Fillmore car. I don't know where on earth this came from. Disney store, most likely. Got a Dodge Power Wagon right there. A Dale Earnhardt skateboard. This up here is this is Jeff Gordon when he had the DuPont or whatever it is. But this is him when he ran in Memorial Day of 2007. I don't know where that was specifically. Up here is the Mark Martin 90s something another. 99? I can't remember. And y'all probably might have noticed this in the background a lot of times. I have this Mark Martin balloon. Oh, the back end. Hey, that looks pretty cool. It looks like it's damaged. That looks pretty cool. Like looks like he got involved in a wreck. That's pretty sweet. Like he spun and backed into the wall. That's neato, but it's deflated. The tires are perfectly fine, but this... I might need to blow this back up. What else can I show? Oh. I have these 4 Fast and Furious machines. Brian's Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 7 from number 2. The RX-7 from number 3. The Plymouth Barracuda from number 7. And the McLaren Senna from number 10. Funny. There. And these are Lego Fast and Furious that I've had. The Skyline, the Charger, and Suki's Honda. And Lightning McQueen. Hi, Lightning McQueen. How are you doing? What I got underneath here is, these are my top 5 favorite diecasts, or NASCAR diecast in the 1/24 scale. Number 5 is Dale Earnhardt 1991 Goodwrench. My second cousin Tony gave me that, but I can't even remember Tony's face at this point. I was only 6 years old when I had that. Then I had the Dale Earnhardt Goodwrench Service. Funny story about this one right here. I had a teacher who treated me like I was a son he never had. And they were like, he showed this off in his classroom to several students over the years, or however long he's been there. But all of a sudden, I come into the picture when I get in middle school, and he knew I was the rightful owner of that. And I got this Oreo Dale Earnhardt from the mall. Can't remember when I had it, but that's supposed to be a 2000. This is Dale Earnhardt Jr.'s 2017 Exalta. Like, the roof flaps come open, the trunk can open, and the hood comes open like that. So elite. is what they call it. My favorite diecast in the 1/24 scale is Jeff Gordon 2008 DuPont Car of Tomorrow. I just like the paint scheme on this one, really. No wonder they called him Wonder Boy. Okay, so I have that. Speaking of Jeff Gordon, or this remote control car Rock Force, I have this Jeff Gordon 2003 DuPont machine in 1/18 scale. This is like the biggest. Like, this is huge. Like, this is even bigger than my foot. I've never seen a NASCAR diecast that big. And this first case is Fast and Furious pile, or everything in this case is Fast and Furious on both sides. Like, I have 2 of the Toretto Chargers, like how I did up there. Paul Walker Supra, Heist Honda Civic, got the, I like this S15 right here. This one's my favorite from Tokyo Drift, the 350 Custom. Got 2 Chevelles, they're designed differently. Got so many of them Tokyo Drift ones on this side. On this side over here, those 2 are from number 6, the Aston Martin and the Escort. I just recently got this Lycan Hypersport, they call it. Some $1 million car in real life. And of course I have 2 of the purple Impala. Like, from the McLaren over here to that DeLorean, all of that is from number 10. So that is a lot. So there's Fast and Furious for you. These 2 cases over here are full of NASCAR cars in the 1/64 scale. I have them sorted out by number, team, and manufacturer. So Spire Motorsports is over here. One team is over there. All sorts of other stuff. But here's the other side of that one. Got this one. Got the Chastain Wall Ride from 2022 there. Got a few of those. A lot of Penske cars right down there. A lot of Stewart Haas cars. Some other stuff. I do have a few NASCARs in this one too. Like, you see the old number 11. All these trucks that are there. Bunch of Toyota Cup cars. And all of these. So, there's that. From this truck right here, all the way to the van, this is all Ford. And this is all Ford. Well, hold on a second. Everything on here, I got everything from Cobras, whatever they call them, Fairlines, Torinos, several Mustangs from different years. Mustang Mach 1, 60th anniversary Mustang, funny car. That one down there is a 66 Buick Riviera, and I got a Pagani Huayra Roadster right there. Over here, this side is all such supercars, hypercars. Ferrari, McLaren, Lamborghini. I love... Let me show you this Lambo up close. This is the Super Trofeo from Gran Turismo. I saw this at Walmart, and this is a piece of treasure. So I just knew I had to have that. Funny story about them two red Lambo Countaches there. Y'all remember the two white Model S's up there. My mom, when I was 10 years old, she was working on setting up my 10th birthday party. It was supposed to be a Hot Wheels theme. So she ran in the dollar store, got two of these Lamborghini Countaches and the Model S right there. And she put one of these Countaches and one of those Teslas on my birthday cake when it was time to sing happy birthday to me. Funny thing about that. But there's a Dodge conversion van. Everything on the other side is Dodge as well. Mopar. My favorite Dodge is the white Challenger right here, or this Challenger drift car. You can comment your favorite car in this showcase if you want to. I like all my cars. They're pretty much my entire life. This is pretty much what makes my life worth living. Oh. This thing's got a lot. Got a few Corvettes over here. I have Nissans in here. This side over here is all Chevrolets. A few Plymouth Superbirds, a few Pontiacs. This is Ghost Jerker's Firebird funny car. I went thrifting one time and I found this and I was like, oh, that will be the fastest thing since the Flash. But unfortunately, something as lame as a BMW hatchback could outrun this thing, unfortunately. So, waste of money, but I still enjoy it. And my battery's getting low, so I want to hurry up with this thing. And this tiny little case here, thank you to Aunt Tracy getting me this for Christmas. Few other random cars in there. No big deal. Nothing to it. But, now I have a giant mess to clean up. But, whew, that was a lot. A lot of work taking them out. And thank you to everybody who tuned in after my vacation from YouTube, I say. But, this is Your Majesty, King Larry III, and I'll see you next time for more spills and thrills, who knows what. See y'all later.